Scene script 1. Unlock the power of your mind with hypnosis. It's not magic, it's science. Hypnosis can help you overcome fears, break bad habits, and achieve your goals. 1. Did you know? Hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention. It's like being engrossed in a good book or lost in thought, so you're not asleep, nor unconscious. 1. Fear not. Hypnosis is safe. You're in control always. No hypnotherapist can make you do anything against your will. It's a tool for empowerment, not manipulation. 1. Hypnosis in sports? Yes, they go hand in hand. Many athletes use hypnosis to enhance their performance. It can help you focus, build confidence, and overcome mental blocks. 1. Smoking, overeating, nail biting. Hypnosis can help break these and other bad habits. It works by addressing the root cause of the habit in the subconscious mind. 1. Hypnosis can help with stress and anxiety. It guides you into a deeply relaxed state, helping your mind and body to reset and recharge. 1. Hypnosis for pain management? Absolutely. It's been used for centuries to alleviate pain even during surgery. It's all about the power of suggestion. 1. Did you know? You can self-hypnotize with the right techniques. You can use hypnosis to improve your life on your own terms. 1. Hypnosis is not about forgetting or erasing memories. It's about creating new, positive associations that can overwrite the negative ones. 1. So, are you ready to tap into the power of your mind? Remember, hypnosis is a journey, not a destination. It's about ongoing self-improvement and personal growth.